Ooh. That's a better bite. That's a better fish. Heck yeah. He pulled it down like he was supposed to. Come on, bud. I don't want to stand up, but I don't want to mess anything up. Oh yeah, much nicer. Well, river rats, this isn't exactly the most picturesque place to go fishing, but there should be a pile of fish here. And with any luck, they'll be dumb enough that I can actually catch them. So let's go. Yeah, you get into these urban environments and sometimes I don't know what to think. I grew up in a small town. I'm a small town guy, and I feel the most comfortable when I am a long ways from people. But we are not any of that right now, but I go where I gotta go to catch the fish that I want to catch, and I think right here is the place to be. It's like wintertime, but a beautiful day. It was 35 2 days ago, and it's going to be 65 today. So I'm hoping this warming trend gets them all tuned up, and we're going to keep a few to eat too. It's a pretty active hopeless camp under that bridge, so that kind of adds to the vibe a little bit. This is my favorite Coldwater rig right here. Probably gonna end up tying another one on because we got plenty of bait, but it's a double hook rig, high-low rig, Kentucky rig, a bunch of different names for it. But all it is you got a dropper loop knot here, a dropper loop knot here, and a weight right here. And you put two baits on, and you can put two small baits on, and they put out about the same amount of scent as one big bait. And lots of times when they're a little less active, like this water is probably 37, 38 degrees. That little difference can be, catch more fish on it lots of times is what I'm trying to say. Words are hard. All right, we got some good bait, little chunks of gizzard. They're fresh-ish is how I would describe them. And I'm pretty big on fresh bait, but not as much this time of year because they eat a lot of rotten stuff, ice out. And this spot was frozen like 5 days ago. Okay. Let's see if we can catch one. A little bit of depth there. Should be plenty of water to hold the catfish. That's what I'm hoping for. Bobbing. Not sure if that's a current or a fish. I'll let him get a little more serious. Bounced a little bit. That might have been a fish. I think that is a fish. Well, we're getting bites. Just because they're nibbling on it doesn't mean they're not a big fish when the water's this cold. I still want them to pull it down decent before I set the hook. So I'll just grab a little bit at a time and tug on it. We need them to get the hook. We're here a little early, so I'm hoping that sun gets higher, things get warmer, that water warms up even a degree or two, and that gets them a little more rowdy. I'm hoping. That's the hope. I'm getting a little more serious. Yeah, he's getting bit. You gonna go though? Is he still on it? I think so. No, he dropped it. Towed it around and dropped it. Lots of little weenie bites. Hopefully as it gets warmer that changes. Need to skin the cat. Need to get that first one. Sometimes getting that first one gets them all worked up. In these situations, at least. Actually, a little surprised we haven't caught one yet. Got him. Good moment. Okay, what are we working with here? I think it's what we thought of, or I thought it was. Cranky little catfish. Sweet. Yeah, hot tip right there. When you got light biting cold water catfish, when you get a nibble like that, if you push the rod down to follow the fish as he swims away, oftentimes they're more likely to grab it a little firmer. I don't know if I want to keep him or not. We'll see what else we can get. But we are on the board. No skunk for us today. I like that. So far, the double hook rig's the only one that's really, yeah. Now that one's getting bit. Sometimes you get one and they all start getting a little more excited. And hopefully we can run into some larger specimens than that. But as far as a meal goes, if that's all we catch, that ain't so bad. But again, if he starts pulling it down a little bit better, I'm gonna push the rod down with him. Make it a little bit easier for him to swim away. Light tipped rods help a lot, but when the water's this cold, I'll give him all the help I can. He's thinking about it. He's nibbling about it. We just need to get that double hook rig back out. This is one of my favorite combos on the double hook rig. Early in the year, you get a shad, put a chunk of meat on the bottom, and then on the top, put some guts. Them guts got really strong smells, and lots of times draw them in, even a big fish. I'll eat that. But small fish will peck the heck out of it. The old 1-2 punch. The downfall of that is your hands will smell terrible. And anybody that might be at your house will let you hear about it. The coffee's good. Are you for real? I could downsize baits and hooks even more, but I just have a hard time doing that. I feel like I'm conceding to fishing for small fish at that point in time. Hey, we got a nibble on the striper stealth rod. We're currently getting a nibble on every rod. Well, they're not exactly lighting up after that first one. Just the nibble brigade continues. Well, let's slide down the bank, see if we can find some slightly more serious nibbles after I eat my Cliff Bar. Okay, let's keep trucking. Try not to fall. Got mud on the bottom of my boots, so they're gonna be nice and slippery. Oh, is that a little baby flathead? Or part of it? Heck yeah, it is. Wonder if an otter got him. Or if he just died and floated up and raccoon grabbed him or something. Tough telling. A little fast. Need to find me a little divot with some softer water. Maybe here. It is a very little divot, but it's a divot. We'll try it. We'll give it 10 minutes. If we don't get him here, we'll slide another 50 feet down, and that looks like it's got some potential. I don't have a great feeling about here, but I had a pretty good feeling about the last spot and only caught that one little one, so we'll see. We'll see. Oh, I'm snagged. Oh, unsnagged. Oh, let her sit in that junk, see what happens. Not a ton of confidence here, but give her a rip. Well, I daydreamed enough here. And it went about like I thought it would, but I'm just curious. They said worth 10 minutes. Oh no. Maybe it wasn't worth 10 minutes. Walk down the bank and try to hop it out. Alrighty, hopefully this spot treats me a little nicer. We got 2 rigged up, baited up, then out. Did not get that one unsnagged without a little damage, so I gotta get it re-rigged. I don't mind busting rigs off too bad, because when you retie, you got a fresh rig, fresh knots, all that good stuff. He's got it. We got him. Cool. He looks a lot like the last one, maybe even smaller. We got him. Sweet. Okay. We'll keep you, I think. Not a giant, but pretty solid eater. Probably about a pound and a quarter. He will do just fine. We get a couple more, we'll be sitting good. Oh, that one's got a good bite too. Got him too. Is he bigger? About the same size. And that size would be eater size. Found a little wad of them down here. Nothing big yet, but I think we're one short of a meal. The rest of them are for fun. Carbon copy. Put him on ice. I can get him on a stringer. If I would have kept the first one, we'd have lunch taken care of, but that's all right. Let's catch another one. 2 quick ones. I dig it. I'm getting bit right there. Pull her down. Getting bit right there. There's surely a bigger cat around here somewhere. One that puts a little bit more bend in the fishing rod. This might be a better one. We'll never know. I was stuck on a stick, I think. Oh my goodness. We snagged a little baby channel cat. That's the size of the caliber of fish we're dealing with, I guess. That's hilarious. Hopefully he walks this one off. Yeah, that's funny. Just catching giants, guys. Ooh. That's a better bite. That's a better fish. Heck yeah. He pulled it down like he was supposed to. Come on, bud. I don't want to stand up, but I don't want to mess anything up. Oh yeah, much nicer. Better fish and better bite and better fight and sweet. All right, come here, buddy. That's more what I was looking for. How is he hooked? I think pretty good. That will work. Yeah, you just get nibbled, and then you run into a good one like that. Puts good bend in the rod and fights you a little bit, and it's a whole bunch of fun. They're all fun. They're all going to taste good, and this one will too. But yeah, I don't know if I'll keep this one. We got 2 fiddlers on there. Maybe we should try to catch another fiddler and let this one go. Because this one plus the other 2 is going to be too much, I think. Oh, wrong direction. Especially considering I got some walleyes in the freezer. Surely we can catch another pounder. I think we got one nibbling right there. Oh, easy. Be really sweet if I could get this rod holder stuffed in like over here. I think it's stuffed in there enough. I don't have to be like walking around trying to grab rods as I get a bite. Ooh, get it, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna give this a little bit more time here, but most of our nibbles seem to be coming from down there, so probably slide down there here shortly. Well, I think we've messed around here long enough, and I'm getting hungry. It's about lunchtime. I'm gonna fry them fish up, and I have an idea on a spot where we could get fish of a little bit better quality, hopefully. Yeah, one of the perks of frying fish is you don't have to stop at a gas station or get jerky or any of that stuff, and it's tough to beat. But I got Joe.
How we doing?
He's my neighbor. Invited him out to go try to catch channel rats up here. Hopefully, they're all little this morning, Joe. Hopefully they're bigger over here. I'm kind of curious. As nice out as it is it's deep down there. It's shallower up here. I wonder if they're gonna come shallow, because it's so darn nice out. We could start here and just spread them out. Yeah. You got a cat rod rigged up?
I didn't. No, I didn't even bring one.
Oh,
I should have.
You know what the nice thing is? Any fishing rod can become a catfishing rod.
True. Yeah,
if you allow it.
Medium and more of a medium light. Yeah, I should have.
Anytime you go fishing with me, it's probably a good idea to bring a cat rod. Oh, there's fish flipping down there already. You could run into some smallmouth here too.
Yeah. That won't hurt my feelings.
No, me either. Oops. Yeah, I better throw a swim bait at least one cast. It'll be sweet to just spack one right off the bat. I'm sure there's a few walleyes around here. They might just be too smart for me. Oh, that scared me.
Yeah.
Could even be some northerns around here the more I think about it. This is the time of year where I get my northerns while I'm walleye fishing. Usually not very many, but you know,
Yeah.
1, maybe 2, maybe 3 a year. Find that log. Nice. Your donation to Davy Jones' locker. Did you get her back?
You better believe it.
Nice. I've donated lots of them. All right, might revisit that later, but I'm catfishing. I might even put one big one out, Joe.
Big chunk?
Big old head piece, just to see what happens. It's kind of where my head went to. Why not? Then put little dinky baits out on the rest of them. Hopefully the ones here are less nibbly than the ones at the other spot I was at.
Tap, tap.
Just never-ending tap, tap, taps. You got fish? No. That's not nearly as cool. Ah, son of a... That wasn't cool either. Hopefully it don't take long. That one just got bit. If the furthest one down gets the most action, might have to slide down. What do you got, buddy? Yeah. What was it? Carp?
Look like a carp.
Yeah.
Wouldn't hurt my feelings though. Near as much, I say.
Well, we got a channel cat nibbling.
Got a boy.
So you got the mustard. That's that big bait. Oh, we got two of them going. Or is it just ticking in the current? Kind of looked like a bite for a second.
That metal one looked like.
They're so delicate right now. Was. Yeah, you gonna figure it out? Nope. Nope, that one too. Still plenty of nibbles. Yeah, it's a little sturdier nibble. Got him. Oh, he carried it out. Wonder how long he'd been toting it around. He ain't bad. He's better than anything, bigger than anything else I've hooked today. So I like that. Come on, bud. Yeah, I tossed this one a long ways out there, so I'm getting my money's worth on this fight. He ain't bad though. He might be my sign that I'm gonna go downriver a little ways, because this was, I cast it as far downriver as I could, and it's got the most bites. Oh yeah, that's nice fish. Oh yeah. Especially considering this was covered in 8 inches of snow 3 days ago.
Nice little channel cat.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Fun size. He's got the bumpies. Get lots of them with bumpies in the spring. Was hoping to run into a bunch of these at the last spot, but you know, I'll take them where I can get them, and they're fun no matter where you get them. So, but this is data. Other than just being a good time, the data was that it was the rod cast to the furthest downriver. So I'm gonna slide a little further downriver. Toss him back. You want any?
What's that, buddy?
You want any? He's got the bumpies.
What's that? Nah, I'm good.
I mean, they're not gonna hurt you, but they just freak me out a little bit.
You're good, buddy. I trust you.
Okay.
Cool dude, though. Cool, man.
Yeah, they're neat fish.
Wow.
I never get tired of them.
No,
I grew up chasing these guys in little creeks and catching most of them about that size. It's cool. Watching him swim away in that clear water was neat.
That was. Had a little life left in him, huh?
But I just never get tired of them, man. Unless I'm flathead fishing and they kill my live baits, then that ticks me off. You catch anything over there yet, Joe?
Yeah, I'll put them all back though.
That's very selfless of you.
I know.
Preserving them for the future generations. Noble. Oh man. I'm working on that for a while. I got plenty of shad if you want some.
Okay.
He might just be toting it around. I think he is. There he is. Wonder how long he's been on there. He ain't bad either. I don't think he's as big as the first one, but definitely a nice increase in the average size of fish we're reeling in. Well, maybe. Very slight. I'll take him. Still got that one messing with it over there. He's got the bumpies too. He's missing an eye. I ain't slowing him down none. See you, bud. What do you got?
Snag.
Like a stick? That one's about 3 pounds.
He is.
Yeah.
Is it tree 30?
Yeah. Yeah. The DNR doesn't like you throwing those back.
Throwing those back in the woods.
I think we got him. Oh, he is tiny. Not big, but we got him. Honestly, when I hook the little ones, I'm more proud than when I hook the big ones, because the little ones are the hardest ones to hook. Oh, it's tiny, tiny. He's about like the ones we fried out. He's lucky though, he bit in the order that he bit. It's a kitten. Not quite a cat yet. Surely he's on there. Yep, he's little too. There must be a pile of them down there. These little tykes are that persistent. Two months I'll be using baits that big.
What's a good eater size of those?
You could eat him.
Would he be an eater?
Oh, he'd be delicious.
Would he?
Yeah. You about can't go too small.
I got you.
I mean, you can, but I accidentally snagged one this morning that was about that long. Yeah. That's better. Surely this fish is on here. Yep, it is. It is small. Yeah, maybe a little bigger than the last one. Maybe. Maybe not. They like shad. Need to find the big ones though. We got him. Is that even a catfish? It looks wigglier. I'm sure it's a catfish. It's a catfish. The Deo dinks. I think they're getting smaller. See ya. There's places I could go and get larger fish. Unfortunately, they're covered in ice. We could get a good one here. They are here. They're just haven't really caught them. Maybe a little bit better one. I think so. Yeah, it is a little more heft to them. All right. What are we working with here, buddy? Come on. No Loch Ness Monster, but compared to the other ones he is. Perception is a powerful thing. Oh yeah, much better. That is more on par with what I've been looking for. We've got a few like this today, so I'll chalk it up as a pretty darn good day. Yeah, another one full of bumpies. Did I tuck his whisker in? Untuck that for you, buddy. He's got a pretty impressive set of whiskers. Let him go. All right, see you, bud. Off he goes. Oh, he's on there. I thought he was decent for a second, but I think he was stuck in a stick. He just come off? Nope. He's stuck in a stick again. Itty bitty. It's been the theme of the day. Itty bitties and a few decent ones mixed in. These are the best tasting ones though. Little 3/4 pounders. Keep waiting for that 8-pounder to get mixed in. That was not where I wanted it. That seems to be a reoccurring theme. Well, the cats have been fun, but it's slowly creeping towards that walleye time of day. It was more of a quantity than quality time of day, but they're all fun, you know, and those little guys, they are the best eating. And 37, 38 degree water, pulling catfish out of that, it don't get much better. So it's been a pretty top-notch day all the way around, but I'm gonna go find me a place to cast for some Walters, I think. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you watching. Hope you catch a giant.